Hey guys, Max here with another hair story. So I get asked all the time about Microlinks maintenance. It's very low maintenance, guys. There's not much you really need to do. Here I am, this is one of the many ways you can sleep at night, even if you have microlinks, or you could preserve your silk presses with this method, and it's just using flexi rods like a roller. I start by securing the ends. I start mid shaft, and then I roll the ends first to secure it, and then I secure the rest of the shaft, and the end result is so beautiful. This is a heatless way to preserve your curls. So no, maintenance on microlinks, guys, is definitely very low.